Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving into 5 mind-blowing tech gadgets that will change your life. From transforming your TV experience to enhancing your gaming setup, and even breaking language barriers on your travels, we've got it all. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Grab your popcorn and let's get started. First up, we have the Smart TV Box with Android 13. This little box packs a punch. It's powered by a quad-core Cortex-A53 processor with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It supports 4K Ultra HD at 60 fps, HDR10+, and H265 decoding. Imagine turning any old TV into a smart TV with all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu in stunning 4K. The new Android 13 interface is buttery smooth and super intuitive. Setup, it's a breeze. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to binge watch your favorite shows. Say goodbye to clunky old TV interfaces, and hello to a seamless viewing experience. Who needs cable, right? Ever dreamt of traveling the world without a language barrier? Enter the Language Translator Device. This gadget is straight out of a sci-fi movie. It instantly translates 137 languages and doesn't even need Wi-Fi. It's powered by a high-capacity battery that lasts up to 12 hours of continuous use. The device uses advanced AI to provide instant, accurate translations, whether it's text-to-speech, speech-to-text, or even real-time conversations. It's compact, lightweight, and fits right in your pocket. Imagine navigating the streets of Tokyo or bargaining at a Parisian market with ease. This device is your passport to a world of new experiences. Plus, no more awkward hand gestures trying to order food. Bon appetit! Gamers, get ready to drool over the Xiaomi curved gaming monitor. This 34-inch beast boasts a WQHD resolution of 3440 x 1440, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 4 ms response time. The 1500R curvature provides an immersive experience that pulls you right into the game. With a 21:9 aspect ratio, you see more of the battlefield, giving you the upper hand. The monitor supports AMD FreeSync for smooth, tear-free gameplay, and covers 121% of the sRGB color space, delivering vibrant, true-to-life colors. Plus, its sleek design is not just functional but also adds a modern touch to your setup. This is the kind of monitor that makes you say, just one more game, even if it's already 3 a.m. To power that amazing monitor, meet the STG AUBRON Gaming Desktop PC. This beast features the latest Intel Core i9 13900K processor, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card with 10 GB of GDDR6X VRAM. It also comes with a 1 TB NVMe SSD and a 2 TB HDD, so you have plenty of space for all your games and files. The cooling system includes multiple fans and liquid cooling to keep temperatures down, even during intense gaming sessions. And let's not forget the customizable RGB lighting that makes your setup look next-level cool. This is not just a gaming machine, it's a showpiece that will make your friends green with envy. Remember, it's not just about the frame rates, it's about the fame rates. For all the drivers out there, the E-YEE GR-Cam Mini is a must-have. This compact device records in full HD 1080p at 30 fps, with a 140-degree wide-angle lens to capture every detail on the road. It features night vision, loop recording, and G-sensor technology that automatically saves footage in case of an accident. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to view and download footage directly to your smartphone. It's easy to install and discreet so it won't obstruct your view. Whether it's for security, capturing road trips, or just having evidence for insurance claims, this dashcam is your trusty co-pilot. And who knows, you might just capture the next viral video. That's it for today's epic tech roundup. Each of these gadgets brings something unique and exciting to your life, from entertainment to travel to gaming. Everything you need to know about these gadgets is in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you're always in the loop. Comment below which gadget you're most excited to try out. Until next time, stay techy, my friends.